Guys, welcome back to my channel, JoSum Vlog. Excuse my voice today. I have very bad cold, so my voice is gone. Today I'll be sharing 3 of my breakfast recipes that I cook for my family on a daily basis. So I just got back from the gym, so I will be doing them right now to show them to you, okay? First recipe that I'm going to make is a protein drink that my trainer has suggested that I have it every single day post my workout. That's 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, some walnuts, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, and about 2 dates. There you go. Put all these into this bowl and add some water and soak it overnight. This is how it's going to look in the morning, guys. Now put this into a jar and make it into a smoothie. To this, I'll add 1 scoop of protein powder, but that's completely optional, guys. This, you can either add milk, water, or in my case, I'm adding almond milk. I added about half a cup of almond milk. Now grind this into a very fine smoothie. The smoothie is ready, guys. So at this point, you can add some strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, whatever berries you want. I don't like to add any berries because I like to have it the way it is. Put the smoothie into a jar of your choice. Try this without a mess because it's really good for your health. Number 2 dish is the Chila dish, which is very high in protein, and I make it on a daily basis, so do try it. Other ingredients, you have the grated carrots, onions, a cup of chickpea flour or besan, and a cup of spinach, and some grated ginger garlic paste, and some coriander, and the Indian masala box. Put all these masalas into this and make it into a batter. So once you put all these ingredients into this bowl, make a nice batter, add some salt to taste, some turmeric, some red chili powder, some coriander, some black pepper, and a tad bit of ajwain seeds. Now brush some ghee to the hot tawa. The hot tawa, pour a blob of the mixture like this and spread it. Just like an omelette, but with vegetables. Cook it well on both the sides. Now the chila is ready, guys. Just take it. Oh, it's a lovely protein-rich chila. I like to eat my chila with the Indian amla or gooseberry pickle. So this chila is packed with protein. So do try to use as much besan as possible. So we in India make a lot of dishes with besan or the chickpea flour. Very high in proteins, so use it liberally. Breakfast recipe is the garlic bread and avocado sandwich. For the spicy garlic bread, you require half a block of chopped coriander leaves, half a cup of garlic, chili flakes, some salt, and black pepper powder, sourdough bread, slices of avocado, some rosemary. Now let's make the butter. Just add the chopped garlic, coriander, a spoon of chili flakes, black pepper powder, some rosemary, salt as per your taste. So I melt the butter with the ingredients, and this is how it looks, the consistency. Generously spread the mixture that we made, the spicy garlic mixture that we made, onto the bread. How it should look once you spread the mixture on the sourdough bread slice. On a hot pan, just place the garlic bread and let it cook for some time. So that's how our spicy garlic bread will look once it's cooked. Nice and well done garlic bread. So to this, we'll add the slices of avocados. Arrange the avocados on the toast like this. Sprinkle some salt, little bit of black pepper powder, and few drops of lemon juice, and your spicy garlic bread sandwich with avocado is ready, guys. Hope you like it. Avocado toast, guys. We all know avocado is a superfood, and it's tasty as well. So go ahead and try it with this twist of spicy garlic bread, and let me know how it is, okay? I'm sorry about my voice. I've got cold, so I'm trying to make sure it doesn't stop me from vlogging. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed my recipes, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.